When the connection is secure, you'll see a green light. Go ahead and start your vehicle now. You should be back on the road in no time. If you see a flashing red light or hear a beeping sound, it usually means the clamps aren't making full contact. That could be from corrosion or buildup on the battery terminals. In that case, spin the clamp slightly to scratch through to ensure a solid metal-to-metal contact. If you see a solid red light, it means your jump starter needs charging before it can be used. If the light is flashing red and green together, it means the P10's voltage is lower than your car's battery. You can still jumpstart your vehicle, just make sure to recharge the P10 right after. And if you see both a solid red and green light at the same time, that means the jump starter is timed out after 90 seconds. Simply reconnect the cables and start the jump process again. If you have any questions, please send us a message at info@typesauto.com or leave a comment below.